Right, okay, we're going to do the traditional volcano experiment this time. Okay, so this is the vinegar and bicarbonate of soda. So we have some white vinegar in here. Your normal fish and chip vinegar will work. This one's a touch stronger and it's see-through, so you can see it a little bit better. Again, if you can get a container with a bit of a flute, this sort of shape, it will just sort of push the stuff out and it just looks a little bit better. Okay. Now in this little tub, we've got bicarbonate of soda, baking soda, bicarbonate of soda. It's all the same thing. Now to make this a little bit better, we're just going to put a little bit of dish soap in there. You give that a little swirl and a mix for me. Okay. And to make it look a little bit more volcano-like, you wanted pink in this one, didn't you? Okay. Make it look a little bit like lava. Okay, we're just going to put a little bit in there. Isabel, you give that a little bit of a swirl and a mix. You do only need a little drop. Okay, are we happy with that? Yeah, okay, right. Pop that in the middle. We're going to zoom in again. Okay, so we've got our mix of dish soap, vinegar and food colouring. This is bicarbonate of soda. Ready? Yeah. Countdown.
3, 2, 1. Get ready.
There we go. Whee! Yeah.
Kind of like the other one.
Okay, do we know what the reaction is on this one? Okay, what sort of chemical is the vinegar?
Acid.
Acid, okay. And the bicarbonate of soda is an alkaline or a base, depending on what you want to call it. Okay, so when acids and bases mix, they react like this. So I believe this is carbon dioxide being given off here. That's what's making the bubbles, and the dish soap is just making it look a little bit better. So the air inside those bubbles, or the gas inside those bubbles, is carbon dioxide. Okay? Now if you feel that a little bit, look, feel a little bit cold. Yeah?
I felt it.
Yeah. So the elephant toothpaste one that we had before was an exothermic, meaning it's giving off heat. This is endothermic, which means it takes heat from its surroundings. So it ends up being a little bit cold. Okay? We're going to do one more reaction with that.
Yay.
Okay? Let me just swap this out. Right, okay. This is going to be an alternative volcano experiment. Same principles though. So we've got an acid and an alkaline. The alkaline's the same, which is our bicarbonate of soda in this tub. Okay, but instead of the vinegar, okay, what does that say?
Citric acid.
Citric acid, okay.
Right,
So this is used as for cleaning and all sorts of weird and wonderful things. You could eat it if you really wanted to, but I wouldn't.
Ryan did. It is very, 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 very sour.
Yes. It's the same acid that's inside lemons, basically. That's why lemons are so sour. That's the same sort of stuff.
And in candy floss.
And it's made in candy floss, yes. Okay, so we have our citric acid crystals in there, bicarbonate crystals in there. Okay, so same again.
Half teaspoon.
That's why I use it all. Okay, there. Citric acid in there. Now,
Still half teaspoon.
so what isn't it doing?
Reacting.
It's not reacting, is it? Okay.
Because you haven't added any liquid to it.
It's because they can't really mix in their solid state, because they're in a solid state now, aren't they? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Let's zoom in and we'll add some liquid. Okay. You remember last time it was cool to the touch, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So if it's taking energy from its surroundings to get colder, if we put something warm in there, do you think that's going to make it more reactive or less reactive?
More.
More reactive? More reactive? Should we have a look?
Yeah. Yes, very more reactive. But not coming up from the top.
No, we didn't add any dish soap though, did we?
Uh-huh. Bit bubbly. Now we're ready. Basically green.
Tell you what, let's try that again. Right, this time we're going to add the dish soap to the hot water. Okay.
So we don't have to do it after the explosion. Yeah, I think it's easier doing it. I'll get towel.
Okay. So this time we saw it before, so let's see what it does with the dish soap added this time. Ready?
Yeah. Yep. No reaction. Yeah.
That looks good.
Mhm.
So if we ever come to do the volcano experiments at school, that's going to be a different way of doing it, isn't it?
Yeah, the elephant is basically a little bit better.
If you want thicker bubbles or more of a reaction, yes, but just these are safer chemicals to use at school, probably.
Yeah.
Okay, so again, you can add food colouring to this, you can add all sorts to it. Okay, but if you try it at home, let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.